Hi, this is Professor Fernandez. We are working on class notes A in lesson 6. In this class notes, we want to show that if you start with a non-homogeneous solid and you know two solutions to that non-homogeneous solid, then the difference of those two solutions solves the homogeneous version of the solid, this one over here. So that's our objective. That's what we'd like to show. So we are going to start off by assuming that y1 solves the non-homogeneous solid. So that means that when I substitute in y1 into the non-homogeneous solid up here, I get equals g of t. And then we're also going to assume the same thing about y2. So that tells us this over here. Great, and then we would like to investigate the difference of these two. So what do we do? So let's look at y1 minus y2 double prime plus, basically I'm writing out the left-hand side of the non-homogeneous solid. Okay, and then I'm going to say equals, and I'm going to use the properties of derivatives. So this is y1 double prime minus y2 double prime plus p of t times y1 prime. Ooh, and I noticed that over here should only be 1 prime, minus p of t y2 prime plus q of t y1 minus q of t y2. Great. So then I am going to collect all of the y1 quantities. There we are, and let's put them in parentheses. And then I'm going to collect all of the y2 quantities. There they are. And then notice what goes in the middle, right? We were subtracting. Everything that has a y2 has a minus sign in front of it. Okay, so I'm going to put a minus sign there. Great. And then what happens? Well, we had assumed up here that y1 double prime plus p of t y1 prime plus q of t y1 equals g of t. And we had assumed over here the same thing except for y2. So g of t, right? So that part here is g of t, and this part is also g of t. And then I'm subtracting them. So I get equals 0. So conclusion, the quantity y1 minus y2, when I substitute it into the non-homogeneous, the left-hand side of the non-homogeneous solid we were working with, equals 0, right? So we have shown that y1 minus y2 solves this homogeneous solid.